First of all, fold the paper in the middle. Then we do the same. After that, we open up. We fold it to mark the paper. In this part, we fold this edge and do the same to the another side. We folding up three rectangles, each one to each side. Now, we have to pay attention. If we ears this part, it will make our boat go wrong. Fold these triangles to the side and we do the same the others.
Now it's looking like a hat. If yours is not, it's wrong. Now we have to open the hat and fold like that in order to look like a losango, okay? As you can realize, we are working with a lot of geometrical forms. Following this way, we fold like that in order to look like a triangle. Okay, this part is looking like a triangle, and we do the same to the other side, and now it's a completely triangle. Now we open here, okay, we open this part and fold straight in the sides. Now the boat is done. We only have to open. So this boat is based for an old tutorial that my father told me, and the sail is the most difficult part, okay? But the rest isn't so much difficult, okay?